Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use selective copy in message on iPhone. This is perfect when someone sends a long message and you only need a name, number, address, or any sentence. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Messages app. Go to the conversation that contains the message you want to copy. Now tap and hold on the message. Bubble or menu will appear. Next, tap Select. You will now see small selection handles around the next text, like when editing text. Drag these handles to highlight only the part you want to copy. Once you have selected the exact text, you need to tap Copy, and that's it. The selected text is now copied to your clipboard. You can paste it anywhere in Notes, WhatsApp, Mail, or any other apps. This feature saves time and keeps things clean because you don't have to copy the entire message and delete extra text later. And that's it. That's how you can use selective copy in message on our iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.